Hello guys and teacher, we are Jose Manuel Zavala, Mariana Martinez, Elisa Gomez and Bruno Giordano, and we're going to explain you linear functions. Okay guys, so first you have to know what's a linear function and how you identify it. So to identify it, you have to use the equation mx mx plus b, okay? And this equation, it has a lot of uses, and that Pepe is going to explain, well, Jose Manuel is going to explain.
Well, in this formula, the b is the y-intercept and the m is the slope. To get the m, you have to use this easy formula. M equals y2 minus y1 above x2 minus x1. Okay, so a linear function is any function that lies to a straight line. This means that the function has either one or two variables that have no exponent powers. Another way to identify a function is with a vertical line test. It consists in putting a vertical line in the graph, and if it touches more than one point, it means that it's not a function. For example, here, if we pass it like this, we can see that it will always touch just one point of the graph. But for example, in this graph, if we do the vertical line test and we pass it like this, we can see that it touches 2 points, this one and this one. That means that it's not a function. In this other graph, if we do the vertical line test, we can also see that here it will touch more than 2 points, this one and this one, so it's not a function either.
So the problem that we're going to solve is a cab company charges $5 boarding rate in addition to its meter, which is $3 for every mile. What is the equation and the graph of the line that represents this cab company rate? So the problem is going to be explained by Pepe.
Well, thanks Mariana. So, as we can see, we have already the word problem, but we need to know how to solve this word problem. So let's see. We have an equation that is y equals to 3x plus 5. We have the slope, because they gave us the slope, that is 3. And the y-intercept, that is 5. We know the y-intercept is 5, because normally b is the y-intercept, and in this case, 5 is the b, so it's going to be our y-intercept. So now, we're going to substitute the 0, because we don't have any x. We're going to substitute 0 and the x, and we will get a y equals to 1. Then, with that one, we will substitute the x in this one, and we will get a y equals to x. So we already got our second part. The second part will be 1,8, and it will be located right here, and the first point will be located right here.
Okay guys, well, now you know everything about linear functions. Just to make a quick summary for you, okay? The linear function is written in the form y equals mx plus b. You always have to remember that formula, and it's very easy, and it's very simple. Then, for you to make it easier, for you to graph and to do everything else, depending on what they are asking you, you always have to remember that m equals the slope. That's very important. Also that b is the y-intercept. And of course you already know how to make all of this. And well, another way to test it, if they only give you the graph and they ask you if either it is a function or not, you have to do the vertical line test that we explained previously in the video. Thank you guys, see you later.